You're not going to believe this. Trump just announced that the US government plans to buy 10% of XRP's total supply. This is huge news, and it could send XRP's price soaring. We're talking about a potential bull run like we've never seen before. A 1,000,000% increase in price is not out of the question, and things could get wild. If you're holding XRP or even thinking about investing, this is the kind of news that could completely change everything. The game is about to change, and you need to know what this means for the future of XRP. Buckle up, because this ride is just getting started. So why is this such a big deal? Well, XRP has been one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies for years, but Trump's announcement takes things to a whole new level. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has already been working with financial institutions worldwide, making XRP a key player in the crypto and financial markets. But now, with the US government stepping in to purchase a large portion of the total supply, we're looking at an entirely different scenario. The US government buying 5–10% of XRP is a massive vote of confidence in the currency, and this could open the floodgates for other governments and institutional investors to follow suit. This isn't just another partnership or announcement. This is a major shift in how cryptocurrencies, especially XRP, are viewed. The fact that the US is getting involved shows that it's no longer just about decentralized projects. It's a sign that even traditional institutions are starting to see the potential of crypto in mainstream finance. If the US is putting its weight behind XRP, we could see the price take off, and fast. The real question now is, how will the market react to this? We might be on the brink of something much bigger than anyone expected. Now let's break down why the US purchasing 5–10% of XRP's supply is such a game changer. With XRP's total supply in the billions, the US buying such a large chunk means billions of XRP tokens could be removed from circulation. This creates a massive level of scarcity. And when supply becomes limited, demand tends to drive prices up, sometimes dramatically. Think about it. If the government holds such a large portion of XRP, it's not just an ordinary investor making moves. It's the US itself adding a whole new level of legitimacy and demand for the token. This move could also influence other big players. Other governments, financial institutions, and even billion-dollar hedge funds might see this as a signal to jump in. If they start buying up XRP too, we could see a serious uptick in demand that could push the price to levels we've never imagined before. The value of XRP could increase not just because of the US involvement, but because this kind of news attracts attention from every corner of the market. When this kind of powerful endorsement happens, it could act as a trigger for an explosive bull run. Simply put, the stage is set for massive price movements, and XRP could be in the perfect position to skyrocket. So what does this all mean for XRP holders? If you're already holding XRP, this could be your chance to see some serious gains. With the US government taking such a large position in the supply, the value of XRP could go through the roof. Investors and institutions are likely to follow suit, and as demand grows, we could see prices shoot up in a way we've never seen before. Some analysts are even predicting that XRP could surge by as much as 1,000,000%. Now, if you're thinking about buying XRP, the window to get in at a lower price might be closing fast. As more institutional and government players start to show interest, the price could rise quickly. But be careful. Crypto markets are always unpredictable. While the potential for huge gains is real, the volatility can be intense. That's why it's important to have a strategy. Whether you're looking to hold long term or take advantage of a quick surge, now might be the time to make sure you're prepared for whatever happens next. For those who are new to XRP, this could be a turning point. The government backing it not only adds credibility, but could open the door for other big players to get involved. So whether you're holding, buying, or just watching from the sidelines, now is the time to pay close attention to XRP. It might just be the next big thing in crypto. But as exciting as all this sounds, it's also important to remember that with big opportunities come big risks. Just because the US government is involved doesn't mean that XRP is a guaranteed win. The crypto market is still highly volatile, and any sudden shifts, whether in global regulations, market sentiment, or Ripple's ongoing legal battles, could cause significant price swings. We've seen this before with other cryptocurrencies, where hype and big news lead to a surge, but then market corrections follow shortly after. That's why it's crucial to stay level-headed and keep a close eye on what's happening. The potential for gains is real, but so is the possibility of volatility. For anyone holding XRP, you need to be prepared to adjust your strategy if things don't go as planned. Keep track of major developments, whether it's news on Ripple's legal case or broader market trends that could impact the price. So while the idea of a plus 1.0000% surge is exciting, it's just as important to have a risk management plan, whether you decide to hold through the ups and downs, sell to lock in profits, or just watch from the sidelines. Make sure you're making informed decisions. The road ahead could be wild, but if you're prepared, you can navigate through it successfully. As we look ahead, the next few weeks could be crucial for XRP. Trump's announcement alone is enough to send shockwaves through the market, but it's not the only factor at play. XRP's future also hinges on Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the SEC, which could either bring more clarity or add more uncertainty to the situation. If Ripple wins, we could see even more institutional adoption and the price could skyrocket as more buyers jump in. However, if the case doesn't go in Ripple's favor, XRP could face a significant dip. With that said, now is the time to stay informed. Follow the latest news on both the legal case and any government or institutional developments related to XRP. Every piece of news could trigger a price move, whether up or down, so keeping up to date is key to making smart decisions. Whether you're holding XRP for the long term or looking for short-term profits, understanding the full picture will help you react quickly and effectively. In short, this is a pivotal moment for XRP, and everything from legal decisions to government involvement could make or break its future. The market is watching closely, and so should you. If you're prepared, you'll be ready to take advantage of any opportunities or protect your investment if things go south. Stay tuned, because the story of XRP is just getting started, and the next chapter could be even bigger than anyone expected. With all this excitement building around XRP, it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But as the market heats up, it's essential to take a step back and assess your own position. If you're holding XRP, you're in a unique spot right now. The potential for massive gains is there, but so are the risks. In times of extreme volatility, emotions can cloud judgment, and some investors may make decisions based on fear or greed rather than a solid strategy. That's why it's important to stay disciplined and stick to your plan. Whether you're in XRP for the long-term growth or you're trying to make short-term profits, make sure you have clear goals. For long-term holders, this could be a time to sit tight and watch the story unfold, especially if you believe in XRP's future. For others looking to capitalize on short-term movements, setting target prices or using stop-loss orders to protect yourself from sudden drops could be a smart move. You're not always looking to restore the losses in your portfolio. You seek to source out the scares, and control price orders could be a smart move. As we move forward, one thing is certain: XRP's journey is far from over. The announcement from Trump and the US government buying a large portion of XRP supply could be a turning point, but the future is still full of uncertainties.